can we build an authentic relationship with our students? But I'd like to counter that question with, can we afford not to? And I say the answer to that is the power of circles. Now, the circles have always, mystified us. We encounter circles every day. Look at the rim of your cocktail. Look at the rim of our coffee that we had today, and the donut and the bagel, the ball of the unfortunate Dodger player. Mathematicians and scientists have long been mystified by the circle. Stonehenge, crop circles. My students are mystified when they have to calculate pi. We circumvent the sun. Symbols of of peace also form the circle. I'm so proud that the UN uses the circle as their logo. Peace and also other symbols use the circle. When we come together, it makes sense to form a circle. Ubuntu, which is the South African symbol of coming together, means I am what I am because of who we are together. I know in my experience with junior high that when we listen to young people, it makes sense because they're confused and they need to be listened to because of their emotions, their feelings. And if we do that, it brings us together as a community. As we join our energy with those in a circle, we become part of something that's bigger than ourselves. And we do that when we bridge together in a community. Community circles or restorative circles are something that unites us. And even though we have a mathematical community, we need to bridge together something in our classrooms that bring us together in community. The shape of a circle is also very important. Everybody is equal. There is no authority figure. We circle up and no one is the boss, but there could be a leader. The purpose of communities circles are also important. We build inclusion, we solve problems, and we connect to content, as you'll see later. Goals of community circles. Principals enjoy that reduction in disciplinary actions and reduction in instruction time is important, but what I enjoy the most is that we increase teacher and student morale. It's important that we listen, we have patience, we respect, and we take turns. When kids really buy off on this idea, they accept responsibility and they also gain confidence and they become really productive members of the school community and the local community. Let me explain how this starts. We start off by talking about what the purpose of the circle is. We do some work in talking about the questions, and we close up with some checking for understanding. Cornerstones of trust is talking from your heart and also listening from your heart. It's really important that we start building on that trust. Some of the sample questions I do is I start off with something light, like maybe say, hey, what's your favorite taco? I do a community building question, like when was the last time you saw a sad movie? And then a restorative question like, when did you experience something sad? All of that comes together with the discussion points like centered around an emotional, something emotional. And these bring you together to the point of forming a crew, which is what you want to do to bring you together to your ending point here, which is rise by lifting each other up, which is what you're doing to me right now. Yeah.